Hello, good day. I am Alvaro Garzon. I live in the city of Popayán. I study agronomy. I like quality coffee and I am very happy to study in the UNAT. I present the meeting of Tutor Carlos Fernando Vázquez. Holidays in the municipality of Sotara, Cauca. Stay 1. Holiday in Sotara. In the last holiday I was in my farm, located in the municipality Sotara. The weather is cold and it is at a distance of 40 kilometers. The capital Popayán. I went with my family. What I like most about this place are its landscapes and its tranquility. The investment in the displacement was 100,000 Colombian pesos. Stage 2. The weather. In relation to the climate of Sotara, I can inform you that it's cold, hence it is important to take a good coat and also umbrella. When it is summer season, the wind is very strong and it rains because it is close to the Paramo. And when it is winter, it remains cloudy and the displacement is a bit difficult. Stage 3. What can be done? I will tell you what can be done in this beautiful place. Enjoying the walks in the middle of the natural and cultivate forest fields with peace and tranquility. We can also visit sport fishing and consume fresh food. Visiting the house of the mile of the Wish Caldas is a great experience, as the ecological trails that are conserved by the pet. Stay 4. What should not be done? Do not throw trash in the rivers. 2. Do not leave bottles in the forest. Do not consume liquor or the wine. The Chare has a family. It is a site visited by regional and foreigners who like nature and history, such as the one of White Caldas and the volcano. It is a good place to spend a pleasant time with the family. Alvaro Garzon. Bye bye.